syempre may mga na-try kayo new food abroad. Meron ba sa isip mo na talagang hindi mo na siya makalimutan at iniisip mo siya nang paulit yung nakain mo yun?
For me, actually, I really can't stop thinking about that meaty, juicy Wagyu beef that was $80.